Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi raised his Manipur issue in Lok Sabha on Tuesday. During his speech, he said extortion has become rampant, economy has shattered, basic public services are on the brink of collapse. He said there has also been a race in illegal trade of arms, drug and timber, and the impact on the lives of common people has been devastating. He further said that the time for inaction is over. The people are questioning when will the Prime Minister visit Manipur, when will the Home Minister praise the House, what step will be taken to resolve the situation, and alleges BJP of raising George Soros issue to hide. Meanwhile, the NDA MPs disrupted the House as Union Minister Piyush Goyal blamed to Congress for the situation in Manipur. Lok Sabha was later adjourned.
Adharaniya Sabhapati Mahoday, I rise to discuss the grave and humanitarian situation in Manipur. The entire state is in a humanitarian crisis. And instead of finding a solution, the government is sending paramilitary forces and enforcing the Armed Force Special Powers Act. This is not addressing the cycle of violence. Extortion has become rampant. Economy is shattered. Basic public services are on the brink of collapse. Unfortunately, there has been a rise in the illegal trade of arms, drugs and timber. The impact on the lives of ordinary people has been devastating. School, colleges closed. Thousands of students, their education is at risk. Healthcare facilities damaged or destroyed. Fear and uncertainty has gripped the population. Madam Chairperson, the time for inaction is over. The people of Manipur are suffering. They have only 3 questions in mind. The first question is, when will the Prime Minister visit Manipur? The second question is, when will the Minister of Home Affairs apprise the House that what will be taken to resolve the situation? And the third is that this government, in order to hide their failure in Manipur, is using George Soros as a shield to hide their failures. They hide their failures, sir.
And let the nation know what is the connection between George Soros and all these internal disturbances. The Congress party is responsible for internal disturbances in the country, and they are using foreign forces. They have an excess and a tie-up with foreign forces, due to which the country is facing internal problems. The Congress party is solely responsible for this situation. The Manipur situation is being tackled very adroitly at the highest level. I would like to ask the Congress party, when did their Prime Minister ever visit any of the northeastern states which are having a problem? When did their Prime Minister ever take in the problems in Assam, so where he was an honorable Prime Minister? It is the Congress party using George Soros and other international bodies, due to which the country today is suffering. There are internal problems caused by the Congress Party Association with George Soros funded organization. The Congress Party is solely responsible and has to answer the nation what is the connection between their leaders, the leaders of the Congress Party, what is the nexus due to which the Congress Party and George Soros and funded organization by them are destabilizing the Indian economy. The Congress is responsible for this severe state of affairs, and they have to reply to the nation why George Soros has such a close connection with their leaders. We are now finding new and new revelations. We are finding that they have